If you hate backing up but still want to park perfectly, then you're gonna love getting that backup camera fixed. First, let's start with the basics. Check if the camera lens is clean. Sometimes dirt or grime can block the view. A quick wipe with a soft cloth might do the trick. Still no luck? Next, try restarting your car. Turn off the engine, wait a few seconds, and then start it up again. This simple reboot can reset the system. If the camera's still not working, let's move to the settings. On your infotainment screen, go to the settings menu. Look for the camera option and make sure it's turned on. Now if you've done all this and the camera is still acting up, it might be a wiring issue. Check the connections in the back of your vehicle. Make sure they're secure and not damaged. Lastly, if nothing works, it might be time to visit a professional. Sometimes the problem is beyond a quick fix and needs expert care. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your GMC Acadia backup camera can be simple. Just follow these steps and you'll be back to parking with ease in no time.